makabasa talaga ako ng mga weak shit na mga message. Na please po, patulong. Gusto ko po maging VA. Anong gagawin ko? Bigyan kita client? Do you know how many people message me every day? Do you know how many people emails me every day? Do you know how many comments I get every day? Ano ganun, naiirita? Sa please po ma'am, patulong. I understand where you're coming from. Pero wrong kayo ng tinanungan, wrong kayo ng sinenda ng message. Ayaw ko sa mga weak people. Yung napapakita ng kainaan. Ayaw ko ng mga ganun. Hindi kayo magkatagal dito. Clients will not hire you because you're a single mom. This is not a charity. Our industry is not a charity. You have to work your ass off to get your seat. You have to work your ass off to keep that fucking seat. You have to know how to be more professional and how to build a business mindset para during client negotiation, hindi ka mabarat, hindi ka matakbuhan, hindi ka maloko. As early as interview, as early as client negotiation, when the client asks, do you have any questions for me? Tas wala kang question, yun na yun. That's the reason na sa scam kayo. You're supposed to ask questions. If they are going to ask us questions, if they are asking us questions, kasi they are making sure that we are fit for their business, we also have to ask questions if they're legit. We also have to make sure if they are paying clients. Hindi pwede dong, we will just pay you after 30 days. Let's see how it goes. No. Hindi pwede yan sa business na let's see how it goes. 7 months na akong nag-a-apply, wala pa rin. Pagod na. Ano ba talaga ayoko na mga ganun. I understand we have our own strengths, we have our own weaknesses. Pero personally this industry is not for the weak. So if you are too emotional, if you're too driven by emotions, what more kung ma-scam kayo ng mga clients? What more kung sana client na after 14 days, tingbayad na, hindi nagpakita, hindi na makontak. If you are too weak to face rejections as early as pre-VA, how much more kung makapasok na kayo? The real struggle is not becoming a VA or finding your first client. The real struggle begins when you finally get your client. Hindi ka ba isa scam?